Hello, JD. You got some funny stuff for us today? Oh my God, I have found some real doozers. I'll tell you. As there was this rooster strutting himself around the Lincoln house on Easter Sunday, and he ran across a nest of eggs that were all different colors of the rainbow. So he went out and beat the heck out of a peacock. Oh my God, JD. Yeah, buddy. Then there was this woman line tamer that had trainer, this woman line trainer that had her line so under control that they would take uh, some sugar from her mouth at any time. I mean, it was just great. This one guy said, "Well, anybody can do that." So the ringmaster came over and said, "Would you like to try it?" He said, "Yeah, but first get those crazy lines out of here." Oh my God. And then there was this zoo, got a new kangaroo, so they built a special place for it. And the next morning they found it jumping around the outside. So they raised the fence to 15 feet. The next morning the kangaroo was jumping around outside. So they raised the fence to 30 feet. And the kangaroo was still jumping around outside. So the giraffe said to the kangaroo, "How high do you think they could build it?" Oh, the kangaroo said, "Maybe 1,000 feet if they just keep leaving the gate unlocked." You gotta close the door, folks, and lock it. Okay, folks, I just love you so much. Thank you. And take a good look at our video and like it and subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Go to jdgrate.com for some great inspiration, folks. I tell you, you can make a ton of money over there. God bless you. Have a great day. And come back to see us.